how to change sensitivity in Roblox Mobile. So hey everybody, in this video we will be guiding you on how to do it. So let's just get started. First of all, you can just head over and close your Roblox if you have opened it up, and head over to your device's main settings and open it up. And once you open up your settings, from the given options you may just scroll down and look out for the option of developer options and tap on it. And once you open up your developer options, you will be finding different options within. You just need to scroll down from the given options on your developer options and head over to drawing section. This one right here, and there you should be finding option of minimum width. So just go ahead and tap on it. And here you need to make the value to 200 or something similar, less than the one that is set by default. So you can just go ahead and cross it down and set to 200 or something and click on OK. And that will change your display, like the settings that you're looking for. It is right between similar to secondary displays and similar display with countout. So you can just locate this option within your developer options, which is right here in the last. If it is not turned on, you can just go ahead and turn it on, and that is it. You may follow up the solutions in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and also comment and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.